Something I really hate about my truck is how it don't have no sound system. It's just fucking bone stock speakers. That shit do not sound good. So I'm gonna be putting an amplifier, a sub box, with a speaker in it. I'm gonna remove the center console and put it there. Now I need to clean it, so I'll be cleaning it too. Just took one of them off. Just need to take the other one off. I could take this shit off. I'm gonna need to take this one off too, for it to not be stuck to the seat belt. I just took both of the seats out. I just had to take the center console off. Alright, kinda cleaned it already. I'm about to put this in and see how it fits. So that's gonna be my center console with the sub. Now I just have to wire everything back up. Looks pretty clean. Just gonna put everything back together and let's see how it sounds. So I got everything connected already. I was just testing it out.
Esta troca mi comando y el desierto está caliente. Para tratar hay palabra y mi palabra la respetan. Para resolver problemas conozco muchas maneras. Quien quiere invadir.
I'm gonna be putting everything back together now and let's see how it looks. I'm all done. Everything's back together. I'm about to play some music so you guys can hear it.
Banda de Culiacán, Sinaloa, y échale viejo, ánimo.
Aquí nomás su compa Aldo Trujillo, esto que se titula Muchacho fracasado de las composiciones. ¡Vámonos, viejo!
¡Suena! ¡Suena la de Simón!
Chico dejé mi casa para buscar en qué triunfar. Siempre fui la oveja negra de mi hogar, pues qué más.
I do need an epicenter for it to sound better, but I'm gonna get that soon. I just ordered it today. I don't know when it's gonna get here, but that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe.